Hi everyone. Tired of your PC failing to recognize microcontrollers or dropping hardware connections? Today we are deploying an optimized Arduino IDE workspace for seamless robotics programming and board compiling for zero cost. Let's prep your workbench. Slide straight down to the description and download the core distribution package directly from our website. Launch this initial installer to let the script map out your pathways and extract the baseline framework. The moment that wraps up, a secondary deployment wizard will automatically show up on your desktop. Simply let this native sub-installer register the vital USB communication drivers and board managers. Now, fire up the application shortcut to see the clean code editor dashboard take shape. Allow the startup window to initialize completely to ensure all default function setups load with zero lag. Your advanced automation station is fully operational, verified, and ready to flash your boards. Rush over to our website right now to claim your installation files and start building like a boss.